Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and tap to the second from the right button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is also available with 48 megapixels, the best possible resolution here, so this is how to get access to it. Now let's move to 9 and 16 aspect ratio, and as you can see the background has changed to the longer one. Another tap to the second from the right button and let's move to 1 and 1, so we can see the square one. And also in these settings we can get access to full aspect ratio, the full camera frame. And let's pick once again the second from the right button. You can go to whatever you need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.